Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing. This time, I'm sad to say, I'm at a Wendy's in Chicago somewhere, near a hospital. I don't do fast food normally, or chain foods if I can help it. Sometimes they're a necessary evil. Except White Castle and Carrabba's. I love both of those. And I'll do me a Waffle House at 2 in the morning. But sometimes change are necessary. So I'm at a Wendy's, and I have been curious about their Pretzel Baconator thingy. And there it is. That's what I got. Can you see it? Can you see it? Smells like a pretzel bun. It doesn't look anything like the pictures, that's for sure. But they never do. I get pretzel. Actually, that's a good pretzel bun. I know Wendy's brags about having fresh burgers and all that. The meat, the sauce, the cheese, it's fast food burger. Chain fast food burger. I like the bun. Very good bun. Otherwise, it's average. I'd much rather have an In-N-Out, which is a chain, or a what's the other chain? Used to like Five Guys. They've kind of gotten really, really expensive. Habit. Habit's got fantastic burgers in their chain. But they're both really, really good. And around here in the Chicagoland area, there's a ton of delicious burgers. I've taste tested some recently. Like, give me a sec. What was I gonna say? The Sandlot. Awesome burgers. Paradise Pup, I think it is. I think that's their name. Delicious Burgers. Gene and Jude's. No, not Gene and Jude's, sorry. Mighty Dog, the one with the dog showing off. Awesome burger. Anyway, those are great burgers. This is an average burger with a really good bun. And that's all I've got to ramble on about today. It's cold, and I have to get back to visiting someone in the hospital. So let me finish my lunch, 3 o'clock lunch, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.